Hello and welcome to the AD tutorial on how to create your own user account for ABQSites through a desktop computer or laptop. A user account will allow you to create your own real estate listings for public viewing on the site. AD also uses the listings to share with companies considering the greater Albuquerque region for expansion. So to get started, visit abqsites.com. The page is already open here. And once you're in the homepage, find and click on the Add Properties link on the upper right corner of the screen. There you will click on Access Request. So we do that here, Access Request. And then the page will open a dialog box below where you will put in your personal account information. The mandatory fields include the company name, both your first and last name and the contact name field, your best contact email. This field will serve then later as your username to later log in into the system. Choose a safe password with a minimum of 6 characters and no duplicates. You can change this password then later at any time. And then check the box to agree with the terms and conditions. So we just do that here. AD, name, your best contact email. Choose a safe password with a minimum of 6 characters, no duplicates, please. And an appropriate phone number for you. And the state also has to be chosen. So this is then the minimum information you will need to provide to set up a new account. But for best practices, we really recommend filling out all the fields to ensure that your contact information is reflected in the properties you will upload. Once you submitted your request, AD will review and approve your application within 3 business days. If you have any questions or technical issues, please reach out to the ABQSites team at zpeadmin@abq.org or 505-705-3777. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage your own properties.